Okay, so in this room, clean out wipe down the inside of the fireplace and the mantle. And then each room, make sure the ceiling fan and light fixture, just a little duster, one of those little dusters to go up inside there, and just make sure those are clean. They're new, but they should probably have some dust. All the window sills wiped off, and then of course the windows, getting all the paint off, so you'll need a scraper, and then of course the stickers if you want to take those off and use Goo Gone. The floor just needs to be dust mopped, so just a little bit of water and a mop, no cleaner, because it hasn't cured yet. Of course, the window sills. And then in the kitchen, if you'll just clean out each drawer, and you can just put a Ziploc, a large Ziploc, and put put all the stuff in it. This, paint things need to be cleaned off. It just has sawdust and things like that. The insides of all the appliances are fine. Nothing needs to be done on the inside, and just wipe down the outside of all the dust. This light fixture and that light fixture, again, just wiping them down very gently on the inside so it doesn't break the bulb. This countertop, nothing needs to be put on it. It's still being cured from the oil that we have on it, so nothing needs to be done to the top. This top is Formica, so you can't cut on it or put anything hot or any chemicals, like a kerosene or anything that could burn the top. But you can just wipe this down. It basically has some, places where paint. And then this is a stainless steel sink. So it looks pretty good for now. So maybe just a little wipe down of that. And then in here on the floors, it's just going to be sweeping up the floors and just a light wet mop on it. You don't need to use any heavy cleaners, just something light on the tile. Same thing in here, just wiping everything down. It just has construction dust. You can see the little paint splotches. The toilets and everything are brand new, so just, put a nice cleaner on it so it smells good. The insides, need to be cleaned out. And again, just put everything in a Ziploc. The mirror needs to be cleaned. Light fixture, again, just wiping out the inside of those bulbs. You don't need to do anything to these shelves. I just put them in and clean them. They're fine. Just, sweeping, mopping underneath. The bedrooms, same for each one. Just windowsill, windows clean, inside and out. And then always check the light switches, even though they're brand new, like they have paint things that need to be scraped off. And if you buy, they sell a cleaner that is for removing construction paint and stuff like that. That works really good. But like this, stuff like that needs to be removed. And in here, the windows are fairly good, but again, just a nice clean wipe down on them. You can see on this, it needs the paint off of it. So again, it shouldn't be, you don't need to worry about the baseboards. Those are all brand new, just painted. So, just a light dusting if you see any paint or anything on them. And then over here, the master, same thing. Just getting all the switch plates cleaned up. dusting out, you know, all the closets. And these cabinets need some good cleaning. Wipe down the drawers, and the inside need to be cleaned out. The shower, just make sure that it has, you know, it has some dirt there, so clean that. I think that's about it. And then again on the wood laminate, just sweeping, and then a nice, just a dust mop. When you're, I would probably wait till the very, very end and do the floor. And I think that's it.